How to open command prompt using keyboard shortcuts. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can open up your command prompt using keyboard shortcuts. Now, before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon to simply get notified when we release our new videos. So let us begin. So opening up command prompt, there is no actual direct shortcut here that you can use. What you can do is first press Windows plus R key, which will open up the run. As you can see, this is Windows plus R key. And after you do that, right here, what you need to do is simply type in CMD. After you type in CMD, hit enter, and that should open up your command prompt like this. And that's the first way. Now, there are other ways you can open up your command prompt as well. For that, what you'll need to do is you will need to simply tap on the Windows key and it will open up your search bar on your Windows and simply type in CMD. It's the same process, just type in CMD and hit enter and it should open up your command prompt. And yeah, that's basically it. That is how you can open up your command prompt using shortcuts key. Now there is no direct way, so you will either have to use your search bar or run to open up your CMD. So typing CMD is basically the same for every process. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.